Hi everyone, and welcome back to another adult take-home craft. Today, we're going to be making bleeding tissue paper postcards. For your supplies, you will need the following items: a white crayon, bleeding tissue paper, a watercolor postcard, a spritzer bottle, water, and an old towel or lots of paper towel. Our kit supplies everything but the water and the towel. Make sure to fill up your spritzer bottle with water before you start the craft. To begin, we're going to draw a pattern on the postcard with the white crayon. Trace over your drawing several times because we want the wax layer to be nice and thick. Place the postcard on a towel and then spray the postcard with water. The postcard might start to bow a little. Don't worry, that's normal, and it'll become flat again once it's dried. Place the bleeding tissue paper on the postcard. It doesn't matter what order you put it in. Just make sure that you get the paper as close together as possible to avoid creating white spots. Spray the postcard again and the tissue paper with the spritzer. If you find white spots, use whatever pieces of paper you have left over to fill the gaps. Let it dry for at least a half an hour or longer. Then you can remove the tissue paper. If you end up with white spots on the edges, you can use spare tissue paper to fill the gaps in by repeating the process. You can draw whatever design you want on your postcard. If you're not sure or need inspiration, Google fun geometric patterns, nature patterns, or anything else you'd like. Pick up your craft kit while supplies last at the Westland Library reference desk. They're in limited supply and first come, first serve. Check in next month for our newest adult take-home craft.